Hi there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can remove your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. So this is really quick and easy. The first thing that you will have to do is of course open your Microsoft Teams and make sure that you've already signed into your correct account. And what you will have to do is you will click this button, profile icon right here, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then you will just have to click the icon, and once you're here, you will just have to click remove so that you will be able to remove your picture. And then you will just have to confirm the removal by clicking save. And your profile picture will revert to either initials if the previous one was a picture. So it should look like this. And it should look like this now if you've already removed your profile picture. And yeah, that's basically just it. And by the way, it may take a few minutes for the change to reflect across all device. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.